Hello and welcome to the lecture on business value of integration. I am happy to have you in this lecture. The objective of this lecture is to help you understand the business value of integration in detail. So without wasting other moment, let's dive deep into the subject. So integration platform iPaaS basically brings significant value to the businesses because they help organization connect systems, automate process, reduce errors and operate more efficiently. So here are the key business benefits explained with the practical examples. Let's go one by one. First is faster business process and improved efficiency. So integrations remove manual work and also automate the flow of information between the systems. Let's take an example. A company manually downloads orders from Shopify and uploads them into SAP ERP, and this takes hours every day. So with an integration platform, how a tool can help them? The orders move automatically in real time, no manual entry, no delays, and faster order processing and shipping. So the business becomes faster and more responsive. So that's the help of an integration tool. Next is reduced operational cost. Think of an automation which eliminates the repetitive task and reduce the need for extra manpower. I'll give you an example. An HR team manually updates employee details in Workday, payroll, ID card system, and Active Directory. With iPaaS, your data flows automatically, no need for multiple data entry teams, and significantly reduce the annual cost savings. Next is the better data accuracy and few errors. So manual entry causes mistakes, so integration platform ensures consistency and accuracy across the systems. Next is the improved visibility and better decision making. So integration creates a single and unified view of the data. Let's take an example. A business wants to analyze sales from Shopify and ads from Google and inventory from SAP and finance data from NetSuite. It wants to combine all those things and analyze it. So without integration, each department has to run separate reports. But with iPaaS, the data flow into a central database wherein you can create your own dashboard, you can prepare your own reports, wherein the iPaaS will connect to all this application, pull the required data and push it to the database, central database, from where we can run the reports and get a desired output that a business wants. So this way we can help the leaders get real-time insights to make faster decisions. Next is faster time to market for new business initiatives. When systems are already integrated, companies basically can launch new products or service faster. The company want to start selling on Amazon Marketplace. What they need to do, they need to integrate for inventory, order, price update and shipping information. With an iPaaS and pre-built connectors, they can go live within days instead of months because the connectors and iFlows are pre-built and given to us once we have an iPaaS platform. Next is the better customer service. So integration ensures that customer information is consistent and processes are smooth. Let's take an example. Let's say a customer contact support asking for an order update, right? If CRM, ERP and all your logistics systems are integrated, support sees the real-time order status. They can address the customer quickly by giving the accurate response. It will also increase the customer experience as well. Next is the seamless SaaS adoption and cloud expansion. So businesses are moving rapidly to SaaS application, which is software as a service applications. So iPaaS make it easier to connect these new apps with existing systems. Let's take an example. A company start using HubSpot for marketing, Zendesk for support, NetSuite for finance. So without integration, each tool become a silo. With iPaaS, all tools communication can share the data as well. Next is supports hybrid and multi-cloud strategies. Most companies basically use a mix of cloud and on-premise system. Example, SAP ECC is on-premise, Salesforce is on the cloud, Snowflake is cloud, and custom application run on Azure or AWS. So iPaaS basically connect all these environments seamlessly, enabling a unified architecture. Next is reusability and faster scaling across the organization. So integration components such as mapping, connectors and flows can be reused. I'll give you an example. A customer master data mapping created for SAP to Salesforce can be reused between SAP HubSpot, SAP ServiceNow, SAP to Snowflake. This drastically reduces the development time and the cost. Next is enabling the API management and modern architecture. So integration platform helps company move from old batch based process to real-time API driven architecture. Instead of sending the batch files once per day, the API can expose an order status, inventory levels, pricing, customer information, wherein partners and the internal apps can get real-time data, making the business more agile. Next is future ready with AI and intelligent automation. So modern iPaaS platform include AI features that basically speed up the development and reduce the errors. And AI can suggest data mappings, integration patterns, error predictions, and also optimize the recommendations. So this helps team build a smarter and a faster environment. So integration platforms deliver real business value through faster processes, automation, reduced cost, and also improve the accuracy, which is basically used for better decision making, real-time insights, and a unified enterprise architecture. They also help organizations become more connected, more efficient, and more competitive in a digital first world. Let me quickly give you 10 real-time examples. First is integration connect systems, so data flow automatically. So a real-time example is when a customer buys a product on Shopify, the order instantly appears in SAP or NetSuite without anyone manually entering it. So this is an integration in action. Next is integration removes manual work, errors, and delays. Let's take a real-time example. An HR team updates an employee record in Workday and it automatically updates in Payroll, Active Directory, and Access Card system. So no duplicate entry, no spelling mistakes, and no waiting time. Next is the cloud service model, which is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, which defines how companies use the cloud technology. Let me give you an example. Your company uses AWS EC2, that is IaaS, for hosting the servers. Use Boomi as your iPaaS for integration, and Salesforce as a SaaS for CRM. So these models work together to run the businesses. iPaaS makes integration faster using low-code tool and pre-built connectors. Let me give you an example. You can drag and drop a Salesforce connector and map fields visually with no coding needed. So within hours, you can build an end-to-end integration that normally take weeks with custom development. So that's why it is faster using low-code tools. Next is the iPaaS supports hybrid scenarios, cloud plus on-premise. Let's take a real-time example. Your SAP ECC is on-premise, but your CRM is in the cloud. A local runtime connects ECC securely to a cloud CRM like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Dynamics, enabling a hybrid architecture used by thousands of enterprises today. Next is integration platforms bring real business value. Let's give an example. During peak festival hours, Diwali, Black Friday, your e-commerce orders jump 5x. A scalable iPaaS ensures all orders flow smoothly from Shopify to warehouse to courier to ERP without crashing or slowing down. This directly protects the revenue. Next is integration improves customer experience. Let me give you a real-time example. A customer checks order status on your app. Because all systems like order inventory, shipment, CRM are integrated, the app shows real-time data, no outdated information, and no frustration as well. Next is integration drives better decision with unified data. Let me give an example. A business pulls sales from Shopify and marketing performance from Google Ads, inventory from SAP, finance data from NetSuite. So this integration feeds this into a BI tool like Power BI or Snowflake, then the giving leaders a single view of performance. Next is the integration help companies launch a new channels faster. Let me give you an example. If a company want to start selling on Amazon Marketplace, iPaaS can quickly connect and then you can do an integration between Amazon to inventory to shipment to finance, and the go live can happen in days, not in months. The last one is modern iPaaS supports real-time event-driven flows. So an example, when a customer signs up on a mobile app, an event trigger instantly, creating an account in CRM, adding to marketing platform, and sending a welcome email. And all this happens in seconds. So if you remember only one thing from section 1, so remember this: integration is the backbone of every modern digital business, and iPaaS is basically the tool that makes integration simple, fast, and scalable. I hope you are now familiar with the business value of an integration. Well, that's the end of the session, so let's wrap it up. By now, you should be able to explain business value of integration in your own terms. Thank you so much for your attention and listening till the end. I wish you a fantastic day. Bye and take care.